I'm gonna become a content creator because apparently that's the new thing now. Like it's a fucking hard job, and it's I think you're better off just doing what you do right now. If you have a safe job with a safe income, and if you think about making more money right now with content and being a fucking, I don't know, YouTuber or Instagrammer or whatnot, then good luck with that. Stop focusing on making quick money because it's just not existing. It doesn't. Like I've been in this space for over 10 years now, sometimes more, sometimes a bit less, but overall it's been over 10 years where I have been creating content for the internet. And if I learned something, then it's most people do not know how to sell fucking shit. Like they don't know. I didn't know. I'm still learning a lot when it comes to selling, when it comes to really provide value and not just providing something which kind of like, creates this loop of many creators now teaching something that they ultimately have just been doing for a few months themselves, and now they're becoming this guru kind of person, which can be very misleading. It's very, very dangerous to create some sort of like branding around that if you don't really have more or less the time frame you can also provide information on. Like everyone has a lucky punch once in a while, but to actually go and sustain a longer period of time and then keep learning and keep growing and keep improving your business basically as a content creator, that's a whole different game and a whole different skill set. And it's not what people talk about. People talk about how to create viral videos, and that's, yes, it is one form of skill that we as creators kind of need or should understand, but it's not the most important part. The most important part is just to create something that is sustainable, whatever that system might be. That can be anything, but it needs to be aligned with your personality and values, so you can get up in the morning and actually execute every single day, even though it's a shitty day. And then you need to learn how to fucking sell. And that's I think the most difficult part about being a content creator, because you see all those accounts on Instagram, especially, I would say, and now with the short form, videos becoming the norm, more or less. That's how we attract people now, with very little depth, with very little kind of authority. There is not much more than a hook, a quick value integration, and then best case scenario, it was so valuable that people will watch it again and share it with their friend, and then you go viral. But what are you going to do with that now? Are you gonna try to replicate that in the next video, or are you actually trying to even go more in depth and to provide value that has the chance to build a connection? And this is something I realized too. Like, I am now sitting here making long format content again because I realized that I have been ignoring it for like so long. I have been ignoring it because I thought that it would be an easier path to create content for the short form market. The problem I have been now experiencing after growing my account last year on Instagram, up to 170,000 followers within a few weeks or months, is like, it's so hard to convert anyone to become a customer, to make a single dime. It's like being on Instagram, making money is so fucking hard. It's not like having AdSense or anything. There's no incentives there. And the misconception is that a lot of followers equals a lot of money. There is accounts with 1 million subscribers and zero revenue because they don't know how to fucking monetize that account properly, because the foundation is not there. It's maybe trends they have been hunting and, went kind of viral over and over again, build a following. But is that following actually interested in whatever the product now might be? Or is it just because, there is going to be some sort of video that just really triggers you to watch? Online platforms are becoming more and more complex when it comes to understanding how you can create a business around it. It's not just posting something and be like, okay, that's it. Let's see what's going to happen with that. You need to have a strategy. You need to have a business model. You need to become an entrepreneur. As weird and cringe this might sound, because everyone these days, seems to be an entrepreneur, at least in the bio. But at the end of the day, it's a skill. It's the selling aspect that most do not understand how it works. And it's so hard on the internet. There's no shortcuts. There is no overnight success. There is no easy money, 500K a month with automation bullshit. It's not existing. The only people who are making money out of this or off of this is the people who are selling you that automation thing. Like they're gonna make their 500K, but you are most likely not going to make 500K a month with something that is automated, unless you really, really know what you're doing, and unless you have a demand where supply now can come in and be like, okay, there is actually a market for that. Don't go into this game and be like, I'm gonna become a content creator because apparently that's the new thing now everyone wants to be, but it's a fucking hard job. Like it's a fucking hard job, and I think you're better off just doing what you do right now. If you have a safe job with a safe income, and if you think about making more money right now with content and being fucking, I don't know, YouTuber or Instagrammer or whatnot, then good luck with that. But I think you will quickly find out that there is so many skills. It's like so many skills you need to learn. So anyway, long story short, thanks for watching, and just a few thoughts about online money making. It's hard. Don't get trapped in this wrong mindset because some people are talking about it like it's very easy. And other than that, I will see you in the next one. And if this was helpful, just drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe, hit that like button. You know how this game works. Any engagement is highly appreciated. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one, and that's it. Peace out.